I'm touch it. Okay.
Oh, we got some action.
Yeah.
Reel it in, reel it in, reel it in. Fast, fast, fast. Yeah. Oh, cool. The same as you. It's just a hook with those yellow garlic pellets. Reel it in, buddy. Oh, did it let go?
No.
Is it still on there?
So, I think so.
Oh, you got another fish. Good job, buddy.
It's so done.
Look.
I'm touch it. Okay. Wow. So time.
You almost got fish faced.
Market. It's a rainbow.
Memorial weekend, and Kylie's gonna take the Grand Mesa polar plunge.
So cool. Oh my God. Go. There's like a strong wind in the water.
Turn around and drop back. Gotta go all the way under. Carter will jump in and save you.
Oh my gosh. So cold, guys. I know.
3, 2, go! She did it.
Oh my gosh.
How was it?
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
She did it, Liam.
Yeah.
You have your screwdriver, Dad?
Yep.
Can I see it quick?
See? It's white, clear, kind of. No, we didn't see it.
Sophie here, and that's bullet in the guy, right?
Yeah, but you can only shoot fireworks on 4th of July or New Year's.
Yeah.
Oh, still too hot. Ew.
Oh.
I just realized I haven't been able to wash my hands since we've been here. And I licked my fingers.
You're building an immune
That's
system.
disgusting.
That's good.
No, it's not.
I got that on camera and it's going on YouTube.
I need to. Why are you cleaning the fire?
So we can preserve these memories.
No.
How dare you, Claire?
Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Say happy Memorial Weekend.
Have a Mario weekend.
Say like and subscribe.
Rafting guys. Hey, Molly.
It kind of looks like a bluebird, but gray.
Okay.
They're definitely scavengers.